welcome back to the channel. Glad you're here. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my old friends who've been with me for a while. I am ready to plan. I I messed up because Monday was the holiday. Today is Tuesday and I took the day off. So I'm a little bit late getting my thing ready, and I don't go back to work until Wednesday. So I'm a little bit behind. And I was playing around with some Halloween crafting, which is something which is new to my wheelhouse. I'm not a Halloween crafter, but I thought I'd get into it this year. It seems fun. Everybody's been crafting Halloween and talking about Halloween, and I have a few projects that I want to make, and I'm going to send the things to my niece and to a couple of other people that I know, some Happy Mail and stuff like that. So let me begin to plan for the week. So this is the week of September 6th through 12th. And what I'm loving about this planning this month is it's September. And September for me, I love the time of year that it is. I love fall. I love that you can just begin to, keep your sandals on, get some long pants, and just kind of enjoy yourself as you go. And the weather's always just right. It's not too cold. It's not too warm. It's just right. So what I want to do is, and also my favorite thing happens at this time of year. And my favorite thing is pumpkin spice coffee, pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin spice everything. I love pumpkin spice. And tomorrow will be, Thursday will be my first day going out going out to somewhere to actually to the Starbucks to actually get my first pumpkin spice latte. I'm looking forward to it. Fall's a good time of year. Get to wear my sweaters. Get to get myself back together because I can start, if it gets a little, cooler, I can put my boots on and just be ready for that time of year. My boots, because, I'm a boot wearer. In the wintertime, I don't think I have any regular shoes, like just shoes. All of my shoes for winter are boots. So that's what I usually wear. So it's all about the pumpkins here, all about the pumpkins. Hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend. I took my whole Labor Day just to rest. I was feeling pretty run down a little bit, pretty tired. So my whole Labor Day was resting, and I didn't do much, if anything. I'm going to be honest, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything except lay around. And for me, that's kind of a hard thing to just lay around and don't do anything. But I said to myself, I go, for once, Jay, you're just not going to do anything. And the Dollar Tree had these, and you probably seen me use these before. I might throw these in there. But I have this pumpkin right now, because it's all about the pumpkin, all about the pumpkin. I had, last year I was able to bake myself some pumpkin spice cookies, and I had some pumpkin spice cookies, and they got pumpkin spice cereal. It was pumpkin spice, it was pumpkin spice, what was it, pumpkin spice, what's that called? Pumpkin spice, or I can't remember the cookie now. It was a really delicious cookie. There was pumpkin spice oatmeal, had that. I loved it. Loved it. So pumpkin spice cereal. So when I go out this week, I will decide what I want to do. And I will go and find myself my favorite of all things, pumpkin. I think I even saw some pumpkin potato chips, but I'm bold. And I like potato chips, but I don't want to ruin my chip with some pumpkin. I can't ruin my chip with some pumpkins. I can ruin a lot of stuff with some pumpkins, but not my chips. And I need writing space, so I'm leaving all of that there like that. Tuesday, I kind of want to, I think I like this page the way it is. I might add something else to it, but hold up for a second. Let me get over here with this one. Now this one, the other thing about the fall time too that's really wonderful is leaves. And you know, new communities, when they build them, no trees, no leaves. No trees, no leaves. I understand why they're not into trees, you know, because trees mess up a lot of stuff. You know, the roots and everything get all over the place and all of that stuff. But come on. And when I was a kid, we used to drive to watch the trees turn. We used to drive to the mountainous areas and watch the trees and go see the changing of the leaves. And my dad would let us collect leaves. So we would collect leaves, and I would collect leaves. My brothers never collected no leaves. Let me not lie on them. They never collected any leaves, but they always had rocks and stuff like that, stuff to go with their army, man. But I would collect all these pretty leaves and everything like that. And you know what? I might have been crafting back then, because I take the leaves and I let them dry. And then I paste them down in this little book I had. I don't know where that little book went, but I would paste them down in this little book I had. And I would keep them, you know, until they crunched up. You know, I didn't know anything about preserving leaves. But after they dried and you pasted them down and you put them in a book and you smash the book down, close the book, the leaves would crinkle up and crunch down. They would crinkle up and crunch down. They didn't have no leaves. But I had tried it, you know. I tried it. So that's the part I'm liking too. And the part I'm going to like also is that I'm going to be able to get my bike back out, because it's been so hot for the summer that I wasn't able to ride my bike as much as I could. But I can get my bike back out now and begin to ride my bike again and get my exercise. I went to the doctors and everything's going well again. And once again, doctors, she talked about that weight gain thing and losing a little weight. And you know what? I was walking out the building, right? Walking out the doctor's building. And I was like, I'm getting tired of that guy hammering me about the weight, right? And then I thought, why not, Jay? Why not go ahead and lose the 20 pounds that he wants you to lose? You can do it. You do a lot of stuff. Set your mind to this weight loss task and lose the 20 pounds. So that's where I am, friends. I'm going to set myself up to this weight loss thing. Excuse me. I like this little collage I got going on here. So I'm going to set myself up to this weight loss thing, and I'm just going to lose the weight. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take myself. I was going to use that, but I don't think so. It doesn't go with my collageiness I got going on here. So I'm going to set my goal, lose the weight. That's my thing. Go lose the weight. So I'm not going to fret about it or anything like that. When I was in the garage the other day, I got out my treadmill is sitting there nicely. I dusted her off. Told her that, you know, she won't be alone so long no more. That I'm going to actually come in there and walk on her. I used to walk every night before bed. I used to come down there, put my music on in the garage, walk for about an hour. I'm going to have to start slow, though. Walk for about an hour. Go upstairs, take a shower, go to bed. Slept like a log for that, during that time. Slept like a log. I don't know if I like that, but Do I got anything that I could cover that with? Maybe one of these cool pumpkins, but these pumpkins are so realistic, and these pumpkins are not. But this little one, no, it won't go there. That pumpkin won't go there. Let's see how my 2 pages are looking. That's the one part that doesn't work, that pumpkin. That's that line right there, but that's okay. That's okay, too. I can stick, well, I was going to stick pumpkin spice on there, but I already got pumpkin spice. So, I'm going to say, this is my spread. This is my spread for the week. Forgive my desk, because it's a mess. And forgive my coughing, because I got something stuck in something floated into my throat. I don't know what that could possibly be. But anyway, so this is my spread for the week. Excuse me. So this is my spread for the week. And tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you're a pumpkin spice person too, because I'm pumpkin spice person #1. I'm pumpkin spice's #1 fan. So, this is my spread for the week. Thanks for joining me. Forgive me for all this coughing. And I don't have any water here. So forgive me for coughing all over everything. Forgive the glitter from being all over everything. And I hope you enjoyed my spread. Could you give this video a thumbs up, because they're greatly appreciated. If you're not a subscriber here, press that subscribe button and subscribe, and you'll get to see all of my wonderful planner spreads that I make to make sure I can get through the week and get everything done. Planning is my first love, crafting second. Also, I'll share with you one of my Halloween makes, in case you haven't seen it on my Instagram. Here it is. There could be glitter in my throat. Could you imagine? That'd be terrible. This is my rosette, my Jack Skellington rosette, The Nightmare Before Christmas. Has this nice Dollar Tree tool. These are buttons for, and I just, took the back off. And that's my rosette. Thank you for joining me, friends, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be the reason somebody smiled. Oh, that's terrible. I gotta go. Bye.